Hey everyone, today I'm excited to be reviewing this Shell portable 40 amp EV charger. I know this is a fairly popular unit, so I'm excited to test it out and see how it does. So starting with the unboxing, we'll go ahead and get it out of the packaging. I do like the carrying case a lot. It has straps and a nice felt material inside. It comes with a detailed manual. And looking at the 1450 connector, it looks good. Very nice and thick cables on this EV charger. Looking on the controller, we have buttons to adjust the amperage and a delay timer. And on the back, there's a lot more information, including the all-important ETL logo. This is an ETL listed and Energy Star certified unit, so that's good. Looking at the connector, it's an interesting design with its bubble button there. It has a dust cap. The connectors all look good inside. It doesn't necessarily say quality when you look at it with the colors and design, but it does feel pretty solid. The cable to the connector has 8-gauge wiring rated for 105 degrees Celsius. And the wiring to the 1450 plug is the same. Now let's measure the cables. The cable to the 1450 plug is nice and thick at 23 millimeters. And the cable to the connector is also pretty thick too, coming in at 21 millimeters. So that all looks good. Now let's go test it out. All right, I plugged it in and you can see it's set for 40 amps right now. And you can change the amperage if you hold it down. You can adjust that value from 12 amps up to 40 amps. I'll leave it on 40 for the test. Then we have a delay timer here. You can adjust that all the way up to 24 hours. But now let's go ahead and plug it into the car. The connector does fit very good there. And the charger shows it is at about 9.4 kilowatts, which is what I would expect. Coming into the car, it also shows 9.4 kilowatts. And the current charge port temperature is right about 60 degrees, so we'll keep an eye on that and check it after an hour. All right, it has been right at about an hour and it's still going strong, still showing 9.4 kilowatts. Looking inside the car, it's showing 9.4 kilowatts as well. And the charge port temperature is only 143 degrees, so that's good. It's nearly 100 degrees away from the temperature that my Kia EV6 would start to reduce speeds due to heat. So yeah, it's looking great. I want to show you guys too, you can get a 120 volt adapter as well, which lets you charge on a regular outlet. You just plug it in. And the charger will automatically drop the amperage setting down to 16 amps, which pulls 15 amps from the charger. I personally wouldn't keep it that high though, because that would be maxing out the 15 amp plug. I'd just set it to 12 amps to be safe. Now for pricing, I'll post links in the description, but it's $399 on their website or on Amazon. It's not the cheapest option, but it does have some of the thickest cables I've seen, especially on a portable charger, and it does have the important ETL certification. That 120 volt adapter cord is another $49. That's not bad considering its quality and what it does for you. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Personally, I like it a lot, and honestly, this is probably going to be my primary portable EV charger I bring with me. Let me know if you have any questions though. And if you liked the video, please hit that like button and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.